Network Entertainment.
Okay, magre-real talk lang ako sa episode na ito. I am a breadwinner. You are also probably a breadwinner. Question, if something happens to you today, would your family know what to do with your money, your accounts, your obligation, and your asset? Yes or no? Pakisagot. Kung sagot mo no, ang ibig sabihin niyan, we are treading on dangerous ground. Bakit? Yan ang pag-usapan natin. Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode. Hi there, welcome back to Chink Positive. Today medyo serious ang pag-uusapan natin, but this really matters, especially for people na nakapag-save na, nakapag-invest na, you build something, may mga assets na kayo. But this is the reality. We earn, we save, we invest, but we fail to protect. Yes. Kahit magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, but if you fail to protect, baka one wrong decision, imagine mo, wipe out yan. One wrong decision, ubos yan. I know it's not a pleasant topic, but I believe it's a responsible one. Because money is not for just only about the living well right now. It's also when you expire, di ba? It's protecting the people that you will leave behind. So today, pag-usapan natin why legacy planning matters. Anong problema pag hindi mo ginawa to? Ano yung simple steps na pwede natin gawin in order for us to do this? Okay, reality is this. When we avoid this topic, it will create a bigger problem later. Reality is this. Most people ayaw pag-usapan tong topic na ito. No, ang bigat naman. Mamalasin na naman tayo. Parang ang lungkot, di ba? Parang, di ba? Huwag na muna. Pata pa naman tayo. Pero ano nangyari? You keep on postponing it. So, wala kang list of account. Wala kang clear instructions. Hindi mo alam hindi lang alam ng mga mahal mo sa buhay kung sino may utang sa inyo. Imagine mo, ang saya ng mga taong may utang sa iyo, hindi na sila sisingilin kasi hindi nila alam ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Walang beneficiary updates. In other words, baka mag-away-away mga anak mo kung may pamana ka. Di ba? So in other words, hindi na pag-uusapan. Kaya nga, imbis na pagka nawala ka na, di ba? O yung pinaka-patriarch or matriarch na wala sa pamilya, imbis na magluksa, minsan nag-aaway. Nakigets nyo? May drama di ba? Or if not naman, nasaan ang dokumento? May insurance ba? May utang ba? Ano bang account number? Sino may access? Ano ba dapat unahin? Ang daming tanong. Confusion creates more stress. So, nakigets nyo? And then, ito lang po para mas maintindihan nyo. Chinky, hindi ko na poproblemahin yan. Kasi wala naman ako ipapamana. Yan ang akala mo. Kung ang kayamanan pwedeng ipamana, alam mo ba kahirapan pwede rin ipamana? Di ba? Kung paano kung nagpamana ka ng utang? Nagigets nyo? O yung parang utang ni ganito, di ba? Yung parang mareremata ang bahay. Kaya nga, guys, alam nyo, sabihin ko po sa inyo, kailangan malaman talaga na saan ang savings account. Meron bang insurance? Meron bang document sa property? Meron bang obligasyon? Diba? Kahit ng mga passwords, account details. O like for example, hindi nila alam yung password. Paano na yun? Guys, ito lang po ang pakiusap ko sa inyo. Legacy is not only measured kung magkano yung pera. Legacy is about being prepared. Handa ka ba? So question, paano ba magsisimula, Chinky? Ganito, wag na natin i-komplika. Let's keep it simple. Number 1, sulat mo muna lahat ng iyong assets and liabilities. Assets, yung pag-aari. Liability, yung pagkautang. Di ba? So, bank account, investment, insurance, properties, utang, meron ba? Di ba? May binabayaran pa ba? Sulat niyo lahat. Number 2, review. Review natin kung sino magmamana ng ano. Sino may responsibility sa ano. O, kunyari, itong sasakyan, mamamana, ganito, itong negosyo, ang magpapatakbo si ganito. Make sure the right people are named and updated. No? Kailangan, ganun kasimple lang. Kahit sa papel lang pwede. Drawing lang. Third, organize important documents. Diba? Like for example, yung mga property, saan makukuha, is mga stock, may shares ba, may mga bonds ba, ganun. Kailangan alam lahat. And pang-apat, especially for husband and wife, diba? Wag naman sana, kung mawala, di ba, yung dalawa, sino ni next in line? Talk to one trusted family member. It can be your eldest son, eldest daughter, or if not uncle, auntie, 'di ba? So para at least may nakakaalam. Kasi yun nga, dapat ito yung tanong na dapat sagutin natin lahat tayo, lalo ng mga breadwinner. Kung ako ay nawala, would I leave my family with clarity or will I leave my family with chaos? That's a question that you and I should answer. So mga kapatid, always remember, okay na mag-ipon, okay na mag-invest, but building wealth without preparation is irresponsible. Imbis na maiwan mo maging blessing, nako, confusion, stress, baka maging burden pa. Okay? So challenge ko sa iyo this week, number 1, sulat mo lahat ng asset, liability, gawin mo listahan. Pagkatapos, sino magmamana o sino may responsible, and then have a family conversation. So if this episode speaks to you, please share it with someone else na alam mo na kailangan niya ng papakinggan to. Nahihirapan ka lang sabihin. And don't forget to subscribe. This Chinkitan reminding you, real wealth does not stop with you. It continues when you're able to pass it on with clarity and preparation. Stay ready, stay responsible, and stay Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.